Hi everyone, it's Raleigh, and today I'm planning my Hobonichi for the week of May the 6th. And I started and forgot to hit record, so all I've done is put the days of the week up top, some washi, and then a couple of stickers down below. The stickers are from Coffee Monsterz Co. I believe this kit is called Tulip. So I'm just putting my little work sticker up here with the arrows. I didn't do it last week, but I'm gonna gone back to doing it this week. And the tape up top, I may not keep there. There's actually a color of green. Oh, hang on. There's actually a color of green that I want to use a lot for this week. That's kind of bright and cheerful. You'll see it in a little bit. So I'm not sure if it'll go with that, but I put it up there for now. And so I'm just putting some stickers down for some of the main things I need to remember this week. Garbage recycling. Sunday is Mother's Day. And then I've actually got kind of two bigger work things happening. One is on Tuesday. We've got a big departmental meeting. We just attend those, most of them anyway, by Zoom, but it takes up a good chunk of the day. So I like to put that in here just to remind myself not to kind of plan to do a lot of other stuff. And then Thursday, I'm actually out of the office hosting a group meeting presentation. So I want to make sure to get those in. So kind of each morning as I'm looking ahead, I know not to kind of plan to do as much in those days. Okay, so what is going to be next? Oh, I know. I want to. Yes, I want to use some more. So these are also stickers from that same kit, I believe. An extra sticker sheet, and I really like this hot air balloon. And I like the colors in this, the sort of peach and orange, and yeah, the green that I want to use as well. So, and what is that green while I'm here? 126. I want to use this really bright green that I don't use a lot, but I think it's good with this kind of springy theme. Yeah, so that's the one I'm going to be using this week. I've had another good week of getting a lot done, work being a little more manageable, but also just finding myself having a bit more energy to get a few other things done that I'd been probably intended to do, I think, in April, end of March, beginning of April. But I had a few weeks where I kind of stepped back a little bit, so it's nice to get a few of those errandy things done. And I'm just thinking maybe another color. I'm not 100%, but maybe that one I'll pull out as well. It's a really deep bright pink, which I really like, but it might just be a little too much. We'll see how it goes. And I think this time I'd actually made in my cousin a kind of a couple little optional outlines for what layouts to use. But this week I am going to stick to my tried and true kind of lists along the bottom, because I'm actually going to be testing out this week a couple of things I want to track, but I don't really want to do it in here. So like I said, I have kind of a test page I've done in one of my the traveler's notebooks that I use. So because I really want to make sure I can hone in on exactly what I'll be tracking kind of each day before I put it in here. Yeah, this green looks so good. So I'm just going to use this as a separator. But it's been nice, in the last week or two, I was able to get, like I said, a couple of things done, which isn't a huge deal, but, when you haven't done those things in a while, like car maintenance and some blood tests I needed done and just little things. I've also been seeing more of my family and friends, which was great. Always makes me feel better. So it's nice to move into May a little more, having more energy and feeling like I want to actually tackle some more things. And so I think what I'm going to do is just, I just love this color right now. So I think I'm just going to use this to do little headers. And I do have some text headers, which I haven't used those in a while. So I think I'll use those. I might have to pair them with some stickers to remind myself what they're all about. But so I'll probably put a few to-dos. This will be intended for to-dos around my home. Let's see. And maybe I'll put like a little house sticker because there will be maybe a few to-dos. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna carry on and I think do something similar across the rest of these. Like I said, I don't have a lot of different words, so I might just use some stickers, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I like this layout. And here we are back. I just finished up putting my little swipes across the bottom with some more stickers, like a me time, another to do, and important. And I also want to put something here. I think I'll just write in, I think the word relax. Yeah, I think that's the word I'm going to put in for this week. But yeah, I like that look of the kind of swatch of color and then the text there. I think it looks nice. So yeah, this to me is just a really kind of fresh color. So be something nice to look at every day. And it goes really well, I think, with the, well, maybe a little bright for kind of the color palette of the stickers, but I still think it'll be okay. But that makes me want to keep the rest of it a little more minimal. All right, so what else is next? I'll write in Mother's Day. Yeah, and I'll maybe start to fill in some of these pieces up top. And yeah, the more I'm looking at the green up top, it does actually probably go better with the stickers, but maybe not so much with the main color I chose. I'll think about that, but in the meantime, I'll start filling in some of the details here. And we're back. So I filled in the details. I actually flipped the little flags that I had up top there for those days, and I've thrown in a couple more stickers as well as just filling in some of the content for the things that I want to get done this week. So it's looking pretty good, but I do think I'm going to take the washi off the top. It goes so well with the stickers, but I really went much more vibrant with the marker, so it just feels like a little much. So I think I'm going to take this off. And let's see where we are then. Go. There is something kind of satisfying about that. And I think what I'm gonna probably end up doing is I think I do have another sticker sheet that coordinates with this kit. So let me see if I can find that, and maybe that's what I'll start with, is I'll throw a couple of those in and then kind of see where I'm at. Let me just find it. Okay, found it. That took longer. One of the things on my list is to kind of organize my desk and my planning supplies, because I keep these sticker sheets in little trays and they fell, and so they're all out of sorts, but I found it. So let's finish up by putting a couple of these little tulips in, kind of sprinkle these little ones around. And it's still looking a little bit bland up there, so I think what I'm probably going to end up doing, are there any more of these I can get down? No, I think what I'm going to do is just put a little green up top, maybe. Use the marker again to hopefully pull it all together. Question mark. Okay. Oh, I think I've got, this weekend banner was in another sticker sheet, so I may as well put that since I didn't have anything else. Yeah, I think the only thing is just up top looks a little bland, so I think I'll grab that marker and put lines up top. I'm just peeking to see if I have another thinner tape that might go, but I don't have anything that quite goes with that. So, all right. Oh, a couple more. Oh yeah, I wanted to use these too. These are just some of the drink stickers. I really like the Coffee Monsterz Co drink stickers, and I haven't used them in a little while. So I found them when I was digging for the other sticker sheets. So may as well put a couple of these in too. Yeah, but I'm liking how this is looking. I think it'll be something nice to look at every day and keep me organized for what will be happening this week. And yeah, I think the last little piece is to get a little more color up top. And just grab the ruler so I do things kind of straight. And I don't know whether to use the brush. I better not use the brush tip. Let me just get these lines across. Yeah, go. And as I've just been feeling sort of mentally and physically better over the last couple weeks, it certainly has made me kind of more excited about using my planner, although I was certainly still using it during that time. But yeah, you get a little more excitement and, well, maybe not excitement, but just sort of the enjoyment of doing it a little bit more as well. So yeah, I think this is looking good. Well, this was a little bit of a rambly one today and a lot of indecision and back and forth, but that's the way it goes sometimes. But I'm happy with the outcome of this, and yeah, curious to see how it'll go this week. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.